Hi, welcome back to our project. I'm Wilson Sansbury, and as of last week, we had arrived at the design on our left through our brainstorming process. And this week we worked on fine-tuning this design because we weren't 100% pleased with it. It was just a little flimsy and seemed a little weak. You can tell here in the picture, see how it's bowing right here in the front face. So we worked on this design some, and we have arrived at the design that you see here on the right. We modified the die line a good bit. We added this entire upper portion right here, and then we added support structure for the light bulb to kind of fill in some of that empty space within the package that we had within the cylinder. We also added this kind of a cool end cutout for nth degree to the back panel, and then we added these wings for more structural support for the package and to protect the light bulb throughout the shipping and distribution process, because that seemed to be a common comment in the forum about our package, was that the light bulb was too exposed. But with these kind of wing-like tabs on the side, they really box in the light bulb and seem to protect it. Then here you can see those support structures. And everything folds up nicely, especially considering that it's all one piece. And you can see here with the support pieces for the light bulb, the lower one has a smaller circular cutout than the upper one, and maybe the base of the light bulb would rest inside here, and the upper part of the light bulb would fit inside here. Then here you can see that the end cutout turned out pretty cool. Then here we were able to clean up the seam a little bit right here. And now, compared to last week, the package just has a much better feel to it. It's much more solid. Last week you could press in either the front or the back panels and it would bend, and now it just has a much more solid feel to it, and it just seems like it would protect the light bulb much better. Here you see we have two glue flaps on the very bottom, and you can see the cylinder overlaps the bottom panel some. So this way the outer package is a little bit larger than it necessarily has to be. That gives it a little bit more shelf presence. We also want to clean up the graphics some. There's just a lot going on. It's more that I've just been playing around in Photoshop and really seeing how things are going to turn out on paper and how they print. But one of our goals for next week is to really fine-tune these graphics and to clean it up and maybe get rid of some of this and maybe shrink this green star down and leave this one up here on the top the same size, and then get rid of this lightning stuff and clean up the fonts and clean up the labeling some and make it look a little bit more professional.
Here's a quick few shots of our light bulb package before it's completely assembled, and again the die line is one piece. Here's our initial design for our point of purchase display. As you can see, we didn't change the main structure too much, but we did add the nth degree logo cut out on all three of the sides. Our point of purchase display is designed to hold 18 total light bulbs, 9 on the left and 9 on the right of the elevated aisle in the middle. And on that elevated aisle is where our light bulb will be placed on display and illuminated for the customers to see. We do not have graphics on the point of purchase display yet, but they will be similar to the colors, at least, of the actual light bulb package that we have.
So before our next presentation, we want to fine-tune the graphics of our primary package and add graphics to the point of purchase. We already have the graphics made up for the point of purchase, but we just need to get it printed on the Roland. We want to add inside color to our primary package to take up some of this white space, and then we want to refine and fine-tune the point of purchase display and construct the steps for it, and implement any other suggestions that you all have. Thanks for watching.